buy beer there. I said, why, man? Them all brother, they just talking to me because they seem like I got that money to buy stuff. The way they look, the way all friends, they thinking I got that money to buy even a plate of beer to sell beer here. They ask me, why that? Why you don't do that? Why? We chilling here, you go to buy beer there, you give them people, other people money, we need their money to go around this and this. Me, I say, no, you don't know. Me, I got nothing. Just pretend sometimes. I don't want to be down. I pretend, but I don't have money. You know? Because you know here sometimes if you keep yourself down, then people they're gonna take you down. So sometimes you have to keep like you got something, but you got nothing for sure. You got idea of business, but you got no faith. If you go to run for them, bank, you can't avoid them things they're looking for. Because me and bank boy, I don't have half. Them they're gonna look for art for house. So where can I get it? They're looking for big things you can't have. So they don't want to loan you, but they keep you, they're going to talk.